Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how I make some refreshing carrot juice with ginger and lime. So if you are interested in that video, stick around guys. So here I have my ginger of choice. Now if you like, you could always use a bigger piece of ginger, but I don't love ginger, so that amount is good enough for me. Now I did remove the outer part of the carrot, so now I'm just gonna cut them in some small pieces. I also washed my carrot very well. Now guys, it's best to use a cutting board, but me a Jamaican, so we used to use, all the knife in our hand and cut anything where we are cut. Alright? Now if you are not an expert, do not try it because you don't want to cut yourself. Okay? So I'm gonna just cut my carrot into some small pieces. Well, they're not gonna be very thick, but I'm not gonna do them too thin either. So I'm gonna just cut my ginger into some big pieces, cause guess what, guys, it's gonna be blended, so it don't need to be that small. So what I'm gonna do is to finish cut all of these off camera, and then I'm gonna give you a few health benefits of the carrot and the ginger. So stick around guys, and if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe for many other videos. Carrot strengthens your skin, it improves your eye health, and it also boosts your immune system. So at this point, I'm finished prepping my carrot and my ginger, so we're gonna go ahead now and we're gonna blend them. Now to the blender, I'm gonna add all the ginger and the carrot, but I do like to add like half first, then I add some water just to ensure that I'm not overfilling the blender. Alright, sometimes you add all of it and then when you add the water you realize that it's not going to work out. Alright, so I like to do it this way, so add the right amount. Then now I'm gonna add some water. Now I like my carrot juice to be very rich, so me not go make it too thin. Then want it to be rich and nice, and so I'm not gonna add a whole lot of water. Maybe I added about 3.5 cups of water. Alright, carrots contain vitamins A, C and K, which are very important for your health. Alright, so it's good for us to consume a lot of carrots. Whether you're gonna make juice or you're just gonna put it in your food, or you can just eat it just like that, but it's very healthy. Combining carrot and ginger together decreases your risk of cancer. When you combine ginger and carrot together, it helps protect you from heart disease as well. So here I'm just blending on a high speed just to ensure that it's fully blended. After I finish doing so, then I am going to show you what I do next. Now guys, if you want to make a lot of juice, then you can always double or triple the recipe. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a strainer to extract the juice. While doing this step, you want to ensure that you're using a spoon just to remove the excess juice. Alright guys, so we have to squeeze out as much of that juice as we can get, because you don't want all that nutrients to pass. Okay, you don't want to waste any of it. So I like to strain it like this, and then I strain it another time, but I don't want to let the video be too lengthy, so I'm gonna strain it the second time off camera. I don't like to make my juice and then I take little bits of carrot in it. I like to ensure that it's strained properly. So I'll be using 2 limes. So I'm just gonna extract the juice. I'm gonna be using some brown sugar. Now you can always use your favorite sweetener, or if you want to leave it just like this, then you can as well. Now you also add the sugar to your taste. You know, everybody taste buds different. So your taste bud is different from my taste bud. So if I don't like mine too sweet, if you like yours very sweet, then add the sugar to your preference. So you want to ensure that the sugar is fully mixed out. So here I'm just pouring a glass just to let you see the finished product. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also click subscribe and turn on all notifications if I miss another upload.